On Thursday, another 102 voters left Tipra Motha and CPIM party from Krishnapur constituency 43-mile area and joined with BJP. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma has welcomed their new voters with the party flag. Once again, another party-changing event took place at Krishnapur constituency areas. Not even a day has passed, another group of Tipra Motha supporters has left their party and joined with BJP. On Thursday, another 102 voters left Tipra Motha and CPIM party from Krishnapur constituency 43-mile area and joined with BJP. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma has welcomed their new voters with the party flag. Minister Vikas Debarma claimed that the BJP party will be stronger before the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Meanwhile, talking about Krishnapur, the minister's clear statement is that within the next few days, there will be a large number of different activists and supporters of political parties are going to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Minister Vikas Debarma said that Tripura state will give 2 seats to Narendra Modi in the 2024 Lok Sabha election.
एडीसी विलेज तिनी कैसा प्रोग्राम 43 माइल वो प्रोग्राम विभिन्न दल याकर त्रिपुरा मथा सीपीएम विभिन्न दल तैयार तिनी 102 बुटार तिनी बीजेपी फाये बरक तिनो सिंह भाई काम खाने तिनी बरक फाये खामिल भाईगा बेला बेला हम भाई जरा फाइनल ना तब हम भाई वो तिनी भारतवर्ष प्रधानमंत्री ते हम भाई वो तिनी त्रिपुरा हासनी मुख्यमंत्री मानिक शाहनो যত তিনি লোকরংনো হামবাইরো কালে হিনে মোদিজি যেবে কাম খাইতো মানে মরন হারিনো তিনি বরক সিনি লগে ফাইকা.
Likewise, Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma further said the Tipra Motha party office will be left empty at Krishnapur constituency area in coming days. However, which side will be taken strike will get to know in times. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.